Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2020 Kia Sportage EX. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails. Some nice looking rims on this vehicle with some chrome accents. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we got that license plate bracket and that nice Kia grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides plenty of storage space, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got lights, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, which is all pretty handy, and you do get more storage underneath with a tire pressure kit and all that jazz. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, you got 12-volt and rear vents, plenty of door space in the back. We do get cargo nets on the back or the front seats, and folding this down, we do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors as well. Pretty cool. We got your lights, blind spot, lane centering, and liftgate all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 192,422 kilometers. Got that leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, such as your lane departure, user settings, all that jazz. And you can use these to go through different settings, fuel economy, all that jazz. Okay, cancel, mode, voice, volume, playback, play forward, phone. And to my right, we got our gear select drive modes, which do include eco, sport, and normal. We do get your locking mechanism that makes it easier to drive in snow, hill, parking brake, auto hold, park sensing, cup holders, and tons of storage with outlets. We even get wireless charging on this vehicle, which is pretty handy. Storage below, heated seats and heated steering wheel, dual climate up front, all your climate controls, radio, media, seat, all that usual stuff. Storage below, and above me we got our feature for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we got AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. You can go for different station lists, all that jazz. Bluetooth, all menus such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, menu, any apps you may download will also show up in here as well. Settings, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD39027B, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.